In this new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Ngrok and how to set up that services and how to start that services. So in this video I'm going to show you. So what we have to do, we have to come in the Kali Linux machine and we have to open the Firefox and we will type the Ngrok, and you have to keep in mind that the Ngrok will be installed, and we have to create one account in Ngrok. So I will click on the first link, let it load. Yeah, here we have to come in and we have to click on this sign up. Okay, it's a single sign on. So we will also download it from here, and we can also download it from the terminal box by using the links. So I think it will be best if we will download it from this single click, and we will click in this, and it will download the Ngrok for Linux. And we have to make her account first, then it will let us to click here. So how we can create an account? So whenever we are coming on this tab, sign up, yeah, for here, so it will says that you have to use the email address and you have to keep a 10 digit password. So we will click on those both and we will type it, and we will submit it, and we have to go through that email and give the authentication through the email will get verified, and then we will come here directly on this page, and you can see here, this is the token, this is my token, and we will copy it from here, and I have copied this token. So for this token I have done this all the login process, and let me show you the next process further. Yeah, now we have came in the terminal section, and in the terminal section what we have to do, so now we know that the file has been downloaded, and that the file is in downloaded files. So let me open the new terminal and go to the downloads, and I will type here ns, and you can see here that is the file which we have downloaded. And first we have to give it the in your case you will download it first time, and it will be red colored. So that means that it is not having the access to execute the files or to run the files. So how to turn it in the blue color or green color? So we will type here chmod plus x, and we will type the ngrok, the file name, whole file name. Yeah, by clicking on the tab it will auto complete it, and I will make it enter, and by ls in your case also it will change its color. That means that yeah, we have now execution power and we have now execution authority. So you know that it is a zip file, so to unzip it we will use so I will use tar, and I will use this name here ngrok, and it will I will paste it here and it will get unzipped. So by default I have made it unzipped, you can see here. Yeah, so ngrok, it will create a single file here, and so how to run it then? So we have to go through the dot / ngrok, and we will click on it. So it will, yeah, we have to give here we can see that ngrok http port 80. So it's saying me that you have to enter the port number also. So I will enter again this, and I will http, and port I will give, by default it is running on the 80 port, so I am running it here. So let me close it. and I have typed here ngrok. To run any file we are using this dot and forward slash and that file name, and I have used the port number 80, so I'll make it enter. Yeah, here you can see it has successfully connected. And now what we have to do, if in your case it will not be connected, so it is the main error. So I'm going to solve this error also. So what we have to do in this process, it will show you error, it will not show you this phase. So what we have to do, we have to open the another terminal, and we will start here service, sudo service Apache 2. Yeah, by clicking on it, so by default my Apache 2 is running. I can show you here, so I will make it permissions. Yeah, Apache 2, it's running, so I have to restart it or reforce it or reload it. So in my case it is running, I have to stop it first. Okay, now it will get stopped. Yeah, now it will get stopped. Now to start it, we have to type here start. Okay, and yeah, now it had got started the Apache 2 server, so we can look it. So again you will come in this file, and in your case it will be showing error up to now. So now you will connect it by clicking on the dot forward slash ngrok http and port 80, and you will click on OK, and it will show you this interface. Now you are going to going through this link. Yeah, let me copy it and let me paste it on Google, Firefox, whatever you are using. Yeah, you can see here. So this is my new Ngrok page. So here I have clicked on this link, so let me check. Okay, there is no another link which I can click. So let me check it on this link. So you can check here, we have successfully installed the Ngrok. Yes. Okay, the free account. So we have started this service here, and it have loaded the setup. You can see here. So it's running on the local host port 80. So let me check this one also. So I hope you have got, yeah, here you can see here Apache 2 Debian default page. So I hope you have got this video. So be connected and subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon so that you can receive every time the notifications whenever I'm going to upload any videos. And all videos will contain lots of information about cybersecurity. So I hope you have got this video. So be connected. In the next video I'm going to show you how to use this Ngrok. So thanks for watching this video.